Hello, it's Sharon. This is a meditation practice for cravings using mindfulness and non-judgmental awareness to train the mind to notice cravings and reduce impulsive reactions. Remember, a craving is a thought, and we don't have to act on our thoughts. We want to be able to notice these cravings as they appear, address them as a craving, and then let them pass. Be mindful of our cravings. Be a witness to them, but not to allow victim mentality. Just noticing and addressing them as they happen. You can do this practice when you're experiencing cravings or as a form of daily maintenance to help you manage cravings that often arise. I suggest you do this meditation daily for the next week or two and see how your cravings are after that time. So let's get started. Take a moment to get settled. Find a comfortable spot for your meditation. You can sit in a chair or cushion on the floor. You can even do this lying down. So take a moment to make yourself comfortable. Start with your eyes open, taking a few big, deep breaths. Inhale all the way down to your belly and exhale slowly all the way out through your toes. Breathe in through your nose and out through your mouth. See if you can breathe deeply enough to hear your breaths. After your last exhale, allow your breathing to return to a natural state. And now gently close your eyes. Become aware of your body for a few moments and notice the physical points of contact. Notice the feet against the floor, hands in your lap, spine on the floor or bed. Now notice the environment around you. Is the temperature hot or cold? Notice any sounds you may hear. First the sounds in the distance, and then the sounds close to you. Place your attention on these sensations for a few more moments. Bring your attention to your breath and observe each breath as it passes. Are you feeling it in your chest, on the upper lip, in the rise of your belly? Maintain your attention here for several minutes. Notice and count each inhalation and each exhalation. You'll count the inhale 1, the exhale 2, and so on, until you reach a count of 10. Once you reach 10, start the count over. As you place your attention here, you may notice the mind begin to wander. You may notice feelings and perhaps even cravings arrive. Just notice this non-judgmentally and return your attention to the breath and your count. Center and focus your mind on the sensations of breathing. the rising and falling sensation of each inhalation and each exhalation. When your mind becomes distracted, just note the distraction for what it is and return to the breath. Don't follow your thinking with more thinking. Don't allow yourself to place judgment on what's distracting you or how often you become distracted. Simply become mindful of it. Begin to notice just how busy and filled with chatter your mind is. At the end of your last exhalation, gently open your eyes. Slowly bring life back to your toes. Wiggle your fingers and move your body a little. Be sure to transition smoothly back to your day-to-day life. Please don't just jump up and get back to what you were doing before. Truly take this moment to honor your body and sit with your eyes open for a few moments and just notice how you feel as you gently transition.